Hello, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to earn money on Printify. Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms around. And what do I mean by print-on-demand? Well, you'll be able to upload your design or logo on whichever product that you would like to create. For example, if you ever thought about making your own t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, or even adding your design to a drinkware or phone case, you can do that using Printify. All you'll need to do is enter the relevant information, meaning your email address and some basic information about yourself, and from there you'll be able to create an account on Printify. You can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you can choose the product that you would like to add your design to. So let's say, for example, you would like to sell t-shirts. And you may be wondering, how are you going to make money with Printify? Yes, you can add your design on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. Well, the platform that I would recommend you use to make the money is none other than Etsy. The reason why I recommend Etsy is it is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms around, and the reason why I also recommend Etsy is because it is beginner friendly and it also gets a steady stream of traffic. So you don't have to worry about creating your own Shopify or any other website. All you'll need to do is set up an Etsy store. Once you have set up your Etsy store, you can create your own theme of t-shirts, and you can also run ads that will direct customers to your Etsy store, and from there you'll be able to convert those eyeballs into potential customers. Because once someone goes onto Etsy, what they would normally do is in the search bar they will type in t-shirt, and you can see right here by typing in t-shirt, let's say for example t-shirt, and they will search specifically, as you can see, t-shirt for Mother's Day, and they do this with all items. So if you would like to add your design on a cup, let's say you have the idea to sell cups with a specific design, you can do that on Etsy, as Etsy is mostly search based. So you want to ensure that your listing has the proper keywords that will allow you to drive traffic to your Etsy store. Now back to Printify, but before doing that, I'm going to show you a few examples that will give you some motivation. For example, you can see this t-shirt right here. You can see the message in demand. 37 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So you can see that what I'm saying is completely true. As you can see, numerous persons are purchasing this simple t-shirt, and you can see all it is a black t-shirt, and all you'll need to do is upload your design, and the owner of this Etsy store will add your design, and they are using Printify or some print-on-demand platform. So all they'll be doing is simply adding your design, adding your address, and then sending out the t-shirt. And with Printify, you don't have to worry about delivery or customer service or anything like that. All you simply do is collect the customer's custom design if you plan on doing something like this, and adding it to Printify and adding the customer address, and that's it. And you can see right here, numerous persons are making purchase, as you can see here, and I have a few other examples of persons that are doing this. You can see this is a pocket logo, as you can see here, in 16 cards. And if we were to go to this example also, you can see this is custom bootleg shirt, and again all they do is simply collect the customer's logo, add it onto it, and then they send it out. And you can do all of that with Printify. So first you want to create an account on Printify. Once you have created your account on Printify, you're also going to need to create an account on Etsy. And with both of these platforms, you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do once on Etsy.com, you will go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you're going to go back onto Printify, and I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap right where you see My New Store. Then you're going to tap on add a new store, and from there you'll simply tap on Etsy. Once you have tapped on Etsy, a small window is going to pop up, and all you'll need to do is simply enter the email address that you used to sign up with Etsy, and you'll enter your Etsy password, and you're going to grant Printify access to your Etsy store. Once you have done that, you're going to see My Etsy Store in the left-hand menu option right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is create your first product. So you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner. You're going to tap on catalog, and from there you're going to select the category that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to create a t-shirt. I'll simply tap on t-shirts, and again, the idea that I'm recommending that you do is by adding custom logo. So you'll create a listing just like this, and you'll ask your customers to send their custom logo, and you'll simply add it on the t-shirt. But I'll give you a quick walkthrough of how you'll be able to create this product. So once on Printify, let's say I would like to use this t-shirt, I'll simply tap on it. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and you're going to tap on Start Designing. After you have tapped on Start Designing, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will tap on My Device. The reason why you would tap on My Device is there is where you'd find the save logo that you had collected from the customer. But since we haven't started that as yet, what I would use is AI image generator right here, just for example's sake. Then I'm going to select the style. So let's say I would like to create a comic book style, and I'm going to simply type out, let's say, boy smiling, just for example's sake. Then I'll tap on generate image. And by the way, you can see that you are given 15 daily attempts that you can use to create AI images using Printify. Then I'll simply scroll down, and let's say I wanted to use this image right here. And by the way, another good platform that you could use to create different images if you plan on creating your own is by going onto canva.com. And Canva, again, you can sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. All you'll need to do is go onto Canva, then type in t-shirt in the search bar. Then you'll scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can use. And all of these images are copyright free, so you are free to use them on your Printify store. And by the way, any of the logos that you see with paid or with a crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to edit that particular template. But by scrolling down, you can see that there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free. For example, this is a very nice one right here, depending on the theme that you're going for, and you are able to edit it and add your own personal touch even as a complete beginner. But let's go back into Printify. So I'll simply pull out this design a bit more. Now that looks good. Then all you'll simply do is tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save Product, you'll be redirected to a new page. And these are some examples of mockups that you could use. So let's say I would like to use this mockup. Then from here, you'll simply scroll down and you can edit the product description and so on. And then you're going to tap on Publish. Once you have tapped on Publish, you're going to be led to this page, and you're going to give it a few seconds for the item to be added to your store. Also, if you would like to order a sample, you can do that using Printify. Let me show you how to do that. All you simply do is go up to the top right hand corner, tap on Create Order. Then from there you could tap on Sample, and you'll be able to order a sample if you want. So you could send it to your home address or so on if you want. So just give it a few seconds. Once this is published, it will automatically be updated on your Etsy store. So at the moment you can see that it is uploading the images. Once they're finished uploading, all you'll need to do is go onto Etsy. Once on Etsy, you're going to tap on your shop manager in the top right hand corner. After tapping on shop manager, you will see the listing right here. So you're going to see the mockups that you had chose earlier, and you can also scroll down and all of these listing information will automatically be filled out, including the pricing and the description also. So all you will need to do is simply scroll down and tap on save and continue to complete uploading. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And another thing that I would also like to quickly point out before going away, the 3 examples that I showed you. For example, if we were to go onto Etsy, I want you to pay close attention. The reason why I recommended that you also run ads, as all 3 examples, while they're at the top, the reason why is because they're running ads on it. So you want to create ads on Etsy to promote your listing. Thanks for watching.